Good morning, mamukasei. Ndadzoka nayo zvakare imwe nyaya pano. Collins Mnangagwa renewed vows with his wife. Rikaenda kupenya yacho. Please like and subscribe for more. Maiwe zvangu vanhu vanga vakachena. Vamwe vari kuvhunza who's Collins? Collins mwana waPresident Mnangagwa. Yes, one of the twins. Okay, so this was the 10th year anniversary. It was extravagant to say the least and took place at a private venue. I'm not going to give you the details here venue at all, but guys, wow. So Collins gleefully shared a snapshot of his vow renewal ceremony, venting his heartfelt love, caption macho. He expressed his love, appreciation and respect for his beloved wife. Ndikuverengera caption yacho yanga yakanziyo as we renew our vows today, ndoda kukuzivisa mumwe wangu. I reaffirm my love and commitment to you. I promise to continue to cherish and honor you. Ndikuverenga chirungu zvakanaka. To support and encourage you and to love you more deeply with each passing day. Happy birthday and happy 10th year anniversary, my love. Guys, love is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.